Good morning, class. Today we are going to be talking about money. We're going to be talking about how to count coins, how to count dollar bills, how to get change from our coins and change from our dollar bills. So if I were you, I would get a couple coins, ask your mom or your dad for a couple coins, and so you can go ahead and learn how to make change yourself. I hope you have fun, and if there's any questions, we'll talk about it tomorrow in class. Thank you. Bye.
Hi class. So first we're going to start off with coins. Now the coin symbol is this C right here with a line straight down the middle. Nice and simple, a C with a line down the middle. So the first coin that we will talk about is the penny. The penny is the only copper coin out of these coins right here. So the penny, that's the front of the penny, and this is the back of the penny. And the penny is worth 1 cent. That is the least amount that we can have on a coin is 1 cent. The next coin that we will talk about is the nickel. So this is the nickel, this is the front of the nickel, that is the back of the nickel. And the nickel is worth 5 cents. And the nickel is a little bit bigger than the penny. So when you see that, you'll know it's a nickel. So the next coin that we have is the dime. The dime is worth 10 cents. This is the front of the dime, and this is the back of the dime. Now the dime is the smallest out of the coins. So the dime is even smaller than the penny. And the next coin that we will talk about is the quarter. The quarter is worth 25 cents. This is the front of the quarter, and this is the back of the quarter. And the quarter is the biggest one of them all. And now we will talk about the dollar bills. So this is the symbol for the dollar bills. It's an S with a line straight down the middle. So that's how you know that that means money. So we have the $1 bill, and here you can see that there's a 1 in each 4 of the corners. So you know that that's a $1 bill. And then we have the $5 bill. And the 5 has a 5 in all 4 corners of it. So you know that's a $5 bill. Then there's a $10 bill. The 10 also has a 10 in each 4 of the corners. And then there's a $20 bill. And the $20 bill also has the 20s in each 4 corners. And then there's the $50 bill, which has the 50 in each 4 corners. And then there's also the $100 bill, which is the biggest bill, and that has 100 in each 4 corners. So now let's take a look at some addition. And right here we're going to be counting by tens, which we already know how to do, so this is just extra practice. So 2 $10 bills are equal to 1 $20 bill. So you see, 1 $10 bill, 2 $10 bills are equal to 1 $20 bill. Let's do some more math with some coins, and let's see how this goes. How many pennies are equal to 1 nickel? Let's see. 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4 pennies, 5 pennies are equal to 1 nickel. Okay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies are equal to 1 nickel. 1 nickel is worth 5 cents, and the 5 pennies are equal to the 5 cents. Very good. How many $5 bills are equal to 1 $20 bill? Now this can be a little tricky, so for this one we're going to have to remember to count by our 5s, okay? So let's see. 1 $5 bill, 2 $5 bills, 3 $5 bills, 4 $5 bills. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 4 $5 bills are equal to $20. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, so now I'm going to want you to get out that change that I told you to get. You could either get some real change if you have it, some real coins, some pennies, nickels, some dimes, and some quarters, and even if you have some 5 or some dollar bills, that would be great too. For this, you can also play with Monopoly money, because that's really good, because you might not have any cash laying around. So I'm going to give you some problems, and I want you to work on them. And then I want you to try to figure them out, and then when we have class tomorrow, we're going to go over each question, and we're going to see what everybody came up with. So let's see. If I have 3 nickels and 2 pennies, how much money do I have all together? Now the key word for this is all together, and all together means you're going to be adding the stuff together. So the next one is, if I have 1 $5 bill and 3 $1 bills, How many bills do I have all together? Now again, all together are the key words right there. The next one, if I have 4 $1 bills and then I take away 2 $1 bills, how many will I have left over? So you got to think left over. That might be a tricky one, so we got to think of our math skills to try to figure those out. So I'm going to want you to bring in your answers to class tomorrow and bring your thinking caps with, because we're going to have to go over all this stuff. And we'll also go all over the coins and we'll go over the dollar bills again. So if you have any questions, we're going to go over those. Okay, I hope you have fun. Thank you.